Hi, my name is Dennis Kirban at Kirban Performance, and our website is kirbanperformance.com. I want to show you a couple more Buick items. Two we're very proud of that we had developed over the years. One being the horn collar. The factory horn collar was plastic and was only held in by two points, two actual screws, which would be basically at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock as you look at your steering wheel when it's on there straight. And that was part of the poor design. In fact, this was plastic and it was only held in by those 2 points. What happens is it warped over a period of time, or you over tightened it and it would crack and then it would be junk. We had it made in billet, and it's a unique powder coating process that has the wrinkle finish in it. This is about as close as you're going to get to the original looking gray steering collar, which was used in the T-types that would have the gray interior, or the Grand Nationals. We have sold over 1,000 of these over the years. This is one of the most popular items that we have. Another item we developed was the thermostat house. Oh, the part number for the horn collar is 1518 on our website. The thermostat housing on the 86.7 was kind of unique looking. It had this long neck. Well, the original one was like a metal, and when you pull it out and try to get it out of that housing, because the cars are so old now and the rust and it freezes in there, you get it, when you're pulling on it with like a vice grip or something, it gets bent and twisted and it's useless. We had it made in stainless with the O-ring already on it, and this is one of the nicest pieces we made that makes changing the thermostat a lot easier to do, and you get a nice new thermostat housing to replace it. And the part number for this is 1508. The steering wheels over a period of time get a glossy look depending on your fingertips or who handled it last. This takes a special knack to recover a steering wheel and not have any wrinkles in it. It's actually done by a lady that's been doing Corvettes for years, because you have to have a lot of patience to redo steering wheels. And what she does is she's got a big supply of the gray leather and the correct binding, and we get these steering wheels redone. There's nothing like seeing a brand new steering wheel in your car, because it's one of the most visible things you see and use every day and touch. It's got a nice crisp feel to it, and it's the way to go. And our part number for the steering wheel is 7135. Again, we take your core and have it redone. Currently we only offer the gray, which would be correct for the Grand Nationals and the T-types that would have the gray interior. Another item we're quite proud of is our billet style adjustable fuel regulator. What's nice about this is it looks just like the factory Bosch black regulator on your car, except the top, of course, has the adjustment and also still has the vacuum tube. The whole key to our adjustable fuel regulators is the diaphragm that this company uses. You can run any type of fuel known to man through it and will not hurt it. This came about because we were selling thousands and thousands of the Mustang one, and it was just worth it to make it all from scratch. And we've been having this made now for over 20 years. This is the most popular regulator you'll see on the Turbo Buick. And if you ever see any of the little 5.0 Mustangs, when you see a billet design like this, it's also our regulator. And the same company makes them. We make 4 different Porsche ones. So if you think about it, if we make it for the Porsche market, it's got to be good enough for the Buick. But it's all Bosch and Bosch German, and that's how we figured out that you can make any regulator adjustable from scratch, because they all work on the same principle. By adjusting the pressure, by turning the set screw, you can raise your boost or lower it. It's just part of the fuel system. You need fuel delivery and volume, and you got to get the volts back to your pump. So it's not just one thing when you look at doing your fuel system for the car. Again, my name is Dennis Kirban, and our website is kirbanperformance.com.